How to fix Messenger app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger app not working problem. So guys, you have to go to your settings and now you have to go to install apps. Click on install apps and now search for Messenger. Here is it. So click on Messenger and now you can see force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And you can see storage. Click on storage and you have to clear all the cache. Go back and you can see app permission. Click on app permission and allow all the permission. Now you have to restart your phone and reopen the app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.